Hello there. In this video we're gonna show you how to find the right parts for your Sansui television model number SLED5515W. So please subscribe and stay with us. Okay, so if you are looking to find the part number for your main board, in this case, this television is pretty simple. You only have the main board right here, TCON board or screen controller, and your set of LEDs. So if you're looking to replace the main board, the part number that you need to find, it's located on this capacitor right here. So the part number here is CV3393BH-B50-11-X3. That's the part number for this main board that it's compatible with your Sansui television SLED5515W. Okay, if you need to replace the TCON or a screen controller board, the part number is gonna be on the back of the TV. This is the top part. So if you want to get the part number, you're gonna flip the circuit board around, and the part number is gonna be on this sticker right here. In this case, the part number is 890CON-55C0000-9H. If you're looking to replace the LEDs, once you get to your LEDs, the number that you're gonna have to pay attention, it's gonna be this number right here. So it's HL00550828-0601L-03. That's for the strip, LED strip that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LEDs. And for the longer strip, which actually carries 7 LEDs, one more than the other one, the part number is going to be one of these right here. It's right here, HL00550828-0701R-03. So those are the part numbers, guys, for your for the parts that are inside of your LED Sansui LED TV. I got these other two strips here because this TV, the Sansui TV SLED5515W, comes with two different types of LED sets. Okay, so the second set of LEDs, which is 12 of them, I just grabbed two strips, but there will be 12 of this. The part number on this other one is, let me see where I mark it down. It's right here. ZDCX55D13R-ZC14FG-04. Okay, so that's the part number for this other set of LEDs. Once again, this television comes with two different sets of LEDs. You might be able to find this set, or you might be able to have this one inside. You will have to open up the screen to find out. But for the main board and the TCON board, we have found that it's just the same. They all have the same main board and TCON board. All right. If you have any question, please leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for you to get more tutorial videos, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.